Hey guys, let me show you how to make cool slow-mo videos on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, let's open camera on the phone by swiping left. And as you can see, the photo mode opens by default, so we just need to simply swipe left on this panel to go in more button. And we can see many options appears in this list, but we're gonna choose and click on slow motion. And now we can click this settings icon on the left upper corner of the screen and set grid lines. So just scroll till you see grid lines option. Let's enable it and take a look. So now you can see these lines, which helps you to keep the image in the center of the frame and balance objects in the frame. Now you can click here on the upper right corner and change the quality of the picture. So we can set up Ultra HD 4K at 120 frames per second, which is a super quality. And we can choose, for example, Full HD and select 120 or 240 frames per second for a smooth effect. So, just click this button to record a video. Let's record this cute teddy bear, for example. And now simply move the camera and wait a couple of seconds till we get more full video. So I'm gonna stop recording now by clicking this button. And let's take a look at the result. So as you can see, in just a couple of seconds, the video transfers into slow motion. Just like this. Now let's choose Ultra HD and also start recording. So we are gonna record this teddy bear as well and just move the camera fast and now stop the video. Let's take a look at the result. It's this video. So as you can see, everything in slow motion. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.